Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
New Delhi, Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has issued the Admit Card for the Center for Personnel Talent Management, CEPTAM 10, DRTC, Tier 2 Examination 2022 for the post of Technician A, Tech A, on the official website at DRDO. Government in. Candidates must note that the details about the examination center and schedule will be mentioned on the CEPTAM 10 Admit Card. Candidates must ensure to reach the examination venue well in advance to avoid any last-minute hassle. DRDO conducted the CEPTAM 10 Tech A Tier 1 exam in CBT mode from January 6 to January 11, 2023. The result for the same was announced on February 21, 2023. The shortlisted candidates will now appear in the Tier 2 trade test exam. Trade test will be of ITI level in the related trade, to test the practical skills of the candidates. The test may be of about 1 to 2 hours in duration. Download DRDO CEPTAM 10 Tier 2 Admit Card 2023. How to download DRDO CEPTAM 10 Hall Ticket 2023? Step 1. Visit the official website of DRDO at DRDO. Government in Step 2. On the home page, click on DRDO CEPTAM Admit Card 2022 for Tier 2 link. Step 3. Now, log in using your details. Step 4. Your Tier 2 Tech A Hall ticket will appear on the screen. Step 5. Download and take a printout of the admit card for the examination day. Candidates must ensure to carry a copy of the admit card on the date of examination. No candidate will be allowed to appear in the Tier 2 examination without admit card and a valid photo ID. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.